going to learn daily English sentence practice. Translate Odia to English. So let's start. एठाकू आसो इंग्लिश रे कहबा come here, come here. सेठाकू जाओ go there, go there. बसी पड़ो sit down, sit down. ठिया हुओ stand up, stand up. आंठेई पड़ो kneel down, kneel down. तुमो कानो धरो hold your ears, hold your ears. बही खोलो open the book, open the book. कबाट बंद करो shut the door, shut the door. झरका खोलो open the window, open the window. मोते साहाଯ୍ୟ करो please help me, please help me. सेमानंकु डाको call them, call them. मो कथा सुनो listen to me, listen to me. गपटिए कुहो tell a story, tell a story. बसंतु please take a seat, please take a seat. मिछ कुहो नहीं don't tell a lie, don't tell a lie. धूमपान करो नहीं don't smoke, don't smoke. कथाबार्ता हुओ नहीं don't talk, don't talk. दौड़ो नहीं don't run, don't run. पार्टी करो नहीं don't make a noise, don't make a noise. आसन ग्रहण करो take your seat, take your seat. Next sentence. थट्टा करो नहीं don't quote jokes, don't quote jokes.